Advertising is a form of marketing communication used to encourage an audience such as to viewers, readers or listener to take some action and drive consumer behavior with respect to commercial offerings. After attending this course, you will develop the skill related to strategies of advertising used in different medium. These different medium are television, radio and print media to generate increased consumption of product or services of an organization. You will be able to identify the target audience to whom to sell product and services. The primary goal of this course is to introduce advertising role to the business is of selling goods and services through the media to a wide variety of customers. To make you understand how those selling messages must change depending upon the life stage of the customer and the life stage of the brand being sold. Student will learn about the media in which their messages will appear and how customer interact with that media. Everything from education to career building, one has to rely upon advertisements. Nothing is seen can be achieved without advertisement. They are the one that tell us what soap to use, what biscuit to eat, what brand to wear, which pen to write with, etc. Today, lakhs of money, even crores, are spent in preparing 2 or 3 minutes on the advertisement. In a successful business, advertising play an essential and important role. Advertising does not mean selling of products and services, but it helps in increasing sales. Advertising creates awareness in people. Advertising does not only give a proper awareness of brand, but a nice introduction of companies as well. Attractive advertising increases the demand of public, which directly boosts the sale of the brand. The learning objective of this course is to provide students with the learning knowledge in the areas like media, ethics, branding, public relation and advertising psychology. Main objective of this course is to aware each and every student about various techniques used in advertising. Advertisement plays an important role in organization growth. Thus you will understand the role of working and functioning of organization. It seeks to deliver skill for the managing advertising businesses by combining theoretical learning in the field of communication with the right blend of management education. Now let's have a look at the structure of the course in detail. The duration of course will be 5 weeks and students need to contribute 3 to 4 hours per day. Our teaching methodology includes PowerPoint presentation and video lectures. Student knowledge on subjects studied are judged on the basis of assessment comprising of multiple choice exam, assignment and capstone project. The content of course as per respective week is subdivided as follows. Let's have a look at the topics covered in week 1. In week 1 you will learn course related to introduction to advertisement, their types, purpose and objective of advertising. Various advantages and disadvantages of the advertisement will let you know use of it. Further you will learn communication process and advertising agencies. At the end of every week, student has to appear for a quizometer and assignments. In week 2, topics are related to ethics of advertisement. You will learn definition, purpose, objective, benefits, concept and strategies of branding. You will understand the concept of multi-branding, brand extension, brand equity and brand evolution techniques. Let's have a look on the week 3 topics which are related to media, its advantages and disadvantages, media planning and scheduling, public relations, sponsorship, direct marketing and packaging. In week 4, student has to appear for the assessment comprising of multiple choice questions and result of this assessment will be displayed by the end of 4th week. Student need to submit a project by the end of 4th week and topic of project will be shown to you in the start of 2nd week. This has made you aware of the course syllabus. See you in the first session of the course, that is Basics of Advertisement.